Why in news? Recently, the US announced USD 800 million in the new military aid for Ukraine, including 800 additional Stinger anti-craft missiles, 9,000 anti-tank weapons, 100 tactical drones, including the Kamikaze or the suicidal drones. Kamikaze are the unmanned aircraft that are the part of the trace of weapons that are the vending sent by the US to Ukraine to assist their fight against the Russia. What are the Kamikaze drones? Show in figure the Kamikaze drones. About also called the switchblade drones, these are the small unmanned aircraft that are the packed with explosives that can be flow directly at the tank or the group of the troops that are the destroy when it hits the target are exploded. They are called the switchblade because they blade like wings springing out on the launch. These drones have the capability of going past traditional face to the strike if the target and also cost a fractions of the what the longer counterparts do. These these small lethal drones are difficult to detect on radar, and they can even to the programs to hit target without human interventions based on the physical recognitions. Country possess such drones. All through the kamikaze might be the most advanced from the of these genes of the drone. Russia, China, Israel, Iran, and Turkey have all the some version of it. What are the significance? Low weight, low weight, low weight, just 5.5 pounds, including its small words. A switchblade can be taken into the battle in the back, backpack and fly up to 7 miles to hit a target. Can adjust blade radius. The switchblade has a features that allow to the operate to the adjustment to the blade radius, so it can kill the driver of a vehicle but not a passengers. For example, the weapons can be wipes off up to up to 2 seconds before implement a blast radius. It is the a blast radius is the distance from the source that will be affected when explosive occurs. Camera and the centralized view of the area operations. The switchblades also has camera and show a target second before the impact. The drones cruise at the 63 mile per hour and the provided operators with the real-time video downlink of the centralized view of the area of operations. Previous year क्वेश्चन से रिगार्डिंग जो भी है इससे रिगार्डिंग कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग एक्टिविटीज 2022 में पूछा गया था। इससे रिगार्डिंग क्वेश्चंस डी नंबर ऑप्शन 1 2 3 तीनों सही है, यानी कि स्पाइंग पेस्टिसाइड ऑन ए क्रॉप फील्ड, inspecting the crater of active volcano, collecting breath samples of the spouting wells of DNA analysis. At the present level of technology, which of the above activity can be successfully carried out by using drone? यूपीएससी एग्जाम में पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है। डी ऑप्शन तीनों है, इसके तीनों इसका आंसर।